system is now under the protection of the Empire. We are here for your safety and security, and to help stamp out any rebel scum. We require service from each and every one of you. You there, we have need of many stormtroopers. Please tell your friends. You, sir, I can get you into the TIE Pilot Academy. We need each and every one of you to fight with us. What's that? Jedi? No, youngling. There's no such thing as those crazy old wizards. Only our own Darth Vader commands such power. What?
Sir, there's been a disturbance near our garrison.
What's that?
Sir, rebels!
It's time to make a stand! You there! Call for reinforcements! We will deal with this insignificant band!
The Empire is lying to you. They take from every system under their control slavery, resources, and freedom. We are fighting for all of your freedom. Join the rebellion! What? Imperial shuttle incoming! We've got company! We're not leaving these younglings.
This planet is ours, and so are these insignificant slaves. They will not defy the Empire.
The Force is strong with them. You can't stop us. Listen to his lies. You thought all of the Jedi were wiped out, but we are the spark that remains. We will protect these younglings and their freedom.
Your powers are insignificant compared to the power of the dark side.
Younglings, together we are strong. The Force is strong in all of you. Together we can defeat him. Raise your hands and help us push Lord Vader away. 1, 2, 3. Push! Again, focus your minds. 1, 2, 3. Push! Once more, reach out with your feelings. 1, 2, 3. Push! is in cooperation. If we help each other, we can even defeat the mighty Empire. You are all part of the rebellion now. Keep fighting the oppression of the Empire, and never forget to work together. May the Force be with you.